In this video, I will show you how you can clear all the cache data on any iPad. Now doing that is really simple. First of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for the Safari app, then tap on it. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Clear History and Website Data. Now just select All History and also enable the toggle for Close All Tabs if you want to close all the tabs from your Safari web browser while clearing the data. Now just tap on Clear History, and after you do that, then just go to your home screen and open the Recent Apps section. And from here, just remove all the apps which are running in the background. After you do that, then just perform a forced restart on your iPad. Now to do that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. And once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. And this is how you can clear all the cache data on any iPad. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.